Hi everybody, welcome to another edition of James Jam. I'm Jam, as I hit myself in the face. This is my jam. No, I just have a small unboxing for you today and a reveal. So first off, I have to say a big old shout out to my hubs there. Our 25th wedding anniversary is coming up and he got me this beautiful anniversary ring here.
What a nice guy.
Just think it's so pretty. He let me go and pick it out, and yeah, I'm in love. So just wanted to shout him out there because he's awesome. Mwah, love you. And yeah, so that was really fun and nice. And yeah, so we've been married, we've been engaged a couple of different times, and we've even been married more than once. So actually 3 times. Divorced once. So yeah, anyways, onto my box, on my unboxing today. I really wanted to open this so bad, and my husband's like, no, you don't open it ahead of time, because I knew I wouldn't be able to get the ribbon back on. So I thought it was appropriate to show you my ring today, because what I have is an unboxing, and it's something small, and it is from Hermes.
It's not Hermes?
No.
Okay.
And what was really cool is this actually came all wrapped in like plastic. So even if it had been raining or whatever else, the box still would have been perfect.
Or snowing.
Or snowing, yeah. So here's just, must be like my receipt and stuff. Inside the box we have...
What's in the box?
Another box.
Oh.
And like I said, I really wanted to open it, but I knew I'd never be able to make it look like this again. So I listened to my husband and waited till we could film.
I wrote that down because she actually listened.
Right. So what I've never seen this before in person. Well, I've never been to an Hermes store, so I've probably seen nothing in person, but I haven't seen anybody review this or show this at all. And I saw it on the website, and I was just super excited, and I was going to get black. I figured that would be the most practical, but I had to go with my heart.
Seeing as you're not a practical gal.
That's true. I'm going to put this up here just so it's easier to see. So we're going to take off the ribbon, which we know I couldn't put back. We have the beautiful orange box here. Side. What is this? Oh, it says like the name of it. So it has just a little booklet about it. Oh my gosh. Even comes in a little dust bag. Look at that. So I'm going to put the box up here to reveal. Oh my gosh. Is this bougie or what? It's got a little dust pillow for the ring. I got this H ring. It is in rose gold. I'll show it on here. And then it has leather on the sides here. And this is, I think it's a kind of rose. But I just thought it was awesome. Now I got to get it off there. So that is so cute that it comes like that in its own little pouch and bag. And then I just got it to put, to switch my ring off here. I really like thick rings. So then here it is on. Ignore my hand there. But they make these, and they have smaller ones. You can get ones that are probably thinner, more like about as thin as this ring is. But I really wanted the big chunky one. And they come in gold, rose gold, or silver. And then, like I said, I had the choice of this in rose gold. There was some black and silver and some like a taupe and a couple other ones like that. But I had to have the pink. I had to have it. So it's just a nice thick ring. and it's got the H, and it's in rose gold, and isn't she spectacular? So, I mean, not as nice as this, but they're pretty. So, yeah, I just wanted to show everybody. And the price was, I think it was just over $300. So, not by any means cheap, but for Hermes, I thought the price was really decent. So, yeah, I just got the real wide one instead of the thinner one. And, yeah. So, that's my unboxing for you today. So, I just wanted to show you that. Thank you so much for watching. If you are not subscribed, please consider subscribing. I would really appreciate it. Once I hit 1,000, I will be doing a giveaway. One of these next videos coming up, I'll show what I'm giving in the giveaway. Also, my husband will be this side of the camera when I hit my 1,000. So that would be great. Please like this video if you liked it. Please leave comments. I absolutely adore the comments. I like getting to know everybody. I like the stuff people teach me, like if I don't know a color or something like that. Someone always lets me know down in the comments. I really appreciate that. Helps me get to feel like I get to know you guys a little bit better. You can find me on Instagram. I'm at James Jam there as well. It's JAME_S_Jam. And, yeah, I guess that's it for this one. Another unboxing coming up next in my next video. And, yeah, I think it'll be an unboxing. Or it might be bags that I was influenced to purchase. One of those two will be coming up. And, anyways, again, thank you so much for watching. Please do unto others as you would have them do unto you. Bye.